In this video, we will cover data dashboards, including principles of effective data dashboards and application of data dashboards. Data dashboards are data visualization tool that illustrates multiple metrics and automatically updates these metrics as new data become available. Key performance indicators or KPIs in dashboards, example in automobile dashboard, has current speed, fuel level, and oil pressure. In business dashboards, examples are financial position, inventory on hand, and customer service metrics. Principles of effective data dashboards include: it should provide timely summary information on KPIs that are important to the user. It should present all KPIs as a single screen that a user can quickly scan to understand the business current state of operations. The KPIs displayed in the data dashboard should convey meaning to its user and be related to the decisions the user makes. A data dashboard should call attention to unusual measures that may require attention. Color should be used to call attention to specific values to differentiate categorical variables, but the use of the color should be restrained. Grogan Oil Company, which has offices located in 3 cities in Texas: Austin, its headquarters, Houston, and Dallas. Grogan's Information Technology Call Center, located in Austin, handles calls from employees regarding computer-related problems involving software, internet, and email issues. The data dashboard shown in Figure 3.36, developed to monitor the performance of the call center, combines several displays to track the call center's KPIs. The line chart in the upper left-hand corner shows the call volume for each type of problem: software, internet, or email, over time. This chart shows that call volume is heavier during the first few hours of the shift, that calls concerning email issues appear to decrease over time, and that the volume of calls regarding software issues are highest at mid-morning. The column chart in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard shows the percentage of time that call center employees spent on each type of problem or were idle, not working on a call. The clustered bar chart in the middle right of the dashboard shows the call volume by type of problem for each of Grogan's offices. This allows the IT manager to quickly identify if there is a particular type of problem by location. The office in Austin seems to be reporting a relatively high number of issues with email. If the source of the problem can be identified quickly, then the problem might be resolved quickly for many users all at once. The bar chart shown in the middle left of the data dashboard displays the length of the time for which each case has been unresolved. For each unresolved case that was received more than 15 minutes ago, this chart enables Grogan to quickly monitor the key problem cases and decide whether additional resources may be needed to resolve them. The frequency distribution chart in the bottom panel shows the length of time required for resolved cases during the current shift. The Grogan Oil data dashboard presents data at the operational level, is updated in real time, and is used for operational decisions such as staffing levels. Data dashboards may also be used at the tactical and strategic levels of management. At the highest level, a more strategic dashboard would allow upper management to quickly assess the financial health of the company by monitoring more aggregate financial, service level, and capacity utilization information.